it's Sarah. Today, I'm going to be reviewing some of my DIY fidget toys. These include my DIY Pop It Fidget, Paper Squishy, Stress Ball, and more. If you'd like to see how I made these fidgets, I will link the videos in the description box down below so you can go check it out. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. I'm super excited to review my fidget toys, so now let's start. My first DIY fidget toy I will be reviewing is this DNA stress ball. Already you can see how pretty and colorful it looks. Like, look at all these super pretty pom-poms and like these raindrop shaped glitters. It's so satisfying to play with, and it definitely massages your hands, and you can move all the pom-poms around. I would definitely play with this while I'm doing my homework. Even when this is all fogged up, if you just let it sit for like a couple of hours, it's just gonna clear up all over again, so you can stare at all the beautiful add-ins in here. I have to say, this fidget does have a little weird yellow tint to it, but I don't really mind that much because this fidget is super satisfying to play with, and I would definitely use this a lot. I'm going to rate this fidget a 9.5 out of 10. Next up, we have this googly eye Pop It Fidget. As you can already see, it's like a cute little green avocado with a little seed inside and super big googly eyes right here. They're so insanely fun to pop, and I like popping the spots where like the black little eyeball is. So satisfying and fun to play with, and I just can't get over how cute it looks. Like the eyes and the mouth just look so funny and adorable. I'm definitely gonna rate this fidget a 10 out of 10. There's like nothing bad about it, and it's just amazing. I would definitely play with this when I'm like tired or something, or I'm lounging in bed. Next up, we have this DIY Paper Squishy. As you can see, it's a watermelon with like black seeds all over it. And already it looks like so neon, and just like the color red, it's like so vibrant that it like pops out in my eyes and just looks super pretty. And in my opinion, I think this is very like slow rising for a Paper Squishy. This is so fun to squish. Honestly, I think this might even be better than like a real squishy. I'm gonna give this fidget a 10 out of 10. It looks amazing, it feels amazing, and there's nothing bad about it. I love this fidget. Next, we have these DIY fidget rings. These make such amazing clicky noises that I could probably listen to it all day. And you can like move the beads up and down. And you can even hook this on your backpack, which I find is super cool. And I love the bead choicing. They're so colorful and pretty, and I just love butterflies, especially this purple butterfly, since it's like my favorite color. This one's so cute. This fidget is so beautiful and clicky. However, I don't know, I don't think I would really want to play with this that often. I'd rather play with my like squishy or pop it. So I'm gonna give this fidget an 8.5 out of 10. Then we have this other DIY Pop It Fidget. The clicks are so satisfying to listen to. Like, I could listen to these pops all day. And it looks so adorable. I honestly am in love with this like orange pink color of the popsicle. It looks exactly like one. I love like the details of it, like the eyelashes, the mouth, and it says yum right here. Because honestly, if this was real, I would definitely eat it. The colors are so amazing. I definitely love this fidget, and I'm going to rate it a 10 out of 10. I would definitely play with this Pop It when I'm doing my homework. Next fidget I'll be reviewing is this DIY Tangle Fidget. Here it is. So I really like these like colors, like it's kind of neon yellow and neon green. I like the colors, and I like how you can stretch it and like move the straws side to side. However, I'm not sure if I would like use this while I'm doing my homework. I'm not really a big fan of like doing this because I think I'd get like too distracted with it, and it doesn't look that nice, I'd say. It's definitely not bad. It's It's okay, but I think I'm gonna rate it an 8 out of 10 just because I wouldn't really play with this while I'm like doing stuff or like laying in my bed. I'd definitely like rather play with my paper squishy or like the Pop It Fidget. Next, we have this DIY stress ball. Here it is. Oh my gosh, guys, this feels so good. Honestly, might even be my favorite squishy. It just feels so good. I would definitely play with this while I'm doing my homework. It just massages your hands. It feels so good. Like I can just play with it one hand while like editing my video or doing my homework or something like that. Even though it might not look the best, I still like the blue and like the white spots on the balloon. Definitely rating this like fidget toy a 12 out of 10. It's amazing. It feels so good. I would like play with this every single day. It might not look the prettiest, but it definitely like is super satisfying. Then we have this like fidget DIY Pop It Fidget board. First up, let's just admire this pink color. I'm obsessed with it. There's like hearts all around it. Guys, this is bubble wrap. So here, let me attempt to make some satisfying bubble noises. This might not have had the loudest pops, but it definitely is so satisfying to pop. It's so pretty, and I love the color. Like, honestly, who just doesn't love bubble wrap? This is super creative. I love, like, the noise. I could literally play with this fidget all day, and trust me, I would literally pop all of these little bubbles. They're just so fun to play with. Definitely a 10 out of 10 fidget for me. The last fidget toy I will be reviewing is slime. So here it is, and some of you may know, but slime is one of my favorite fidget toys, so hopefully I would like it. So right over here, you can already see the super bright hot pink glitters, and I'm pretty sure there's some like gold flakes on there. I'm very excited already to review the slime. Before I start even saying anything, let me just do some slime ASMR real quick. So as you can see, it's definitely a phloem slime, and that's one of my favorite textures because it's so crunchy, and this slime is actually very surprisingly glossy. Like, I'm in love with these bubble pops. It pokes super well. They're just the right amount foam beads. There's not too much that you can't even feel the slime, and there's not too little that you can't even see any foam beads. So I love this slime, and it reminds me kind of like of strawberry banana with like the pink and yellow foam beads in there, and like the pink and gold glitter. The slime is sort of like an orangey yellow color, and I've never seen this color really before, but I really like it. It's so pretty and glossy, and it's so fun to play with. I would 100% play with this while I'm doing my homework or like studying. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. And yeah guys, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below which one was your favorite fidget out of all of the ones that I reviewed. I think mine is probably the slime or the blue stress ball because they were just so fun to play with and they looked so pretty. Also comment down below if you want me to review more of my fidgets. Like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!